Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we are going to show you how to factory reset JBL Bar 5.1 soundbar. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering here, how do you exactly factory reset JBL Bar 5.1 soundbar? Well, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your soundbar here is turned on. It has some power and it's connected or just powered on. Now, once you have this powered on, what we need to do is we want to look for three specific buttons. So that includes the minus or the volume down button. We also need to look for the volume up button and also the connect button here. Now, what you need to do with these three buttons is you want to hold these three buttons together at the same time. Now, you want to hold these three buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds until you see a reset notification here on your soundbar. Now you'll know it initiated the reset process once you see the reset text in here. So once you see that, you could go and let go of these buttons and just wait for a few seconds in order for the reset to basically complete. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.